Welcome to Learn English Like a Native. The English Department.
The English department at a university is typically dedicated to the study of the English language, literature, and linguistics. Students in this department engage in a wide range of activities, from reading classic literature to analyzing modern media and honing their writing skills. Why I chose the English department. I chose to apply to the English department because of my passion for the language. From a young age, I enjoyed reading English books, watching English films, and learning about different cultures through the language. English is not just a global language, it's also a tool for connecting with people from diverse backgrounds. This made me excited to pursue my higher education in this field. Importance of the English language. In today's world, English is one of the most important languages. It is the primary language for international business, academic research, technology, and entertainment. Being proficient in English opens up countless opportunities in different careers. Whether you are working in education, communication, or even travel, knowing English is crucial. This is why I believe that studying English at an academic level would provide me with both practical skills and theoretical knowledge that could help me succeed. Choosing my college. When I was deciding which college to apply to, I looked for a program that offered a strong balance between literature, linguistics, and practical language skills. I wanted a college with experienced faculty members who could guide me in understanding both the historical and contemporary aspects of the English language. Additionally, I sought a program that provided opportunities for improving speaking, writing, and research skills in English. The application process. The application process for the English department required me to meet several academic standards. I needed a good grasp of English before even applying, which I achieved through studying hard in high school and practicing the language whenever I could. I also had to pass an entrance exam that tested my English skills, including reading, comprehension, grammar, and essay writing. Some colleges even required an interview to assess my spoken English abilities. I prepared for these assessments by reading widely, writing, practice essays, and speaking English as much as possible. Future goals and aspirations. By studying in the English department, I hope to achieve several goals. First, I want to improve my overall command of the language, including my ability to write essays, analyze texts, and communicate effectively. Second, I aim to gain a deeper understanding of English literature, especially works that have shaped culture and society. Finally, I plan to use the skills I learn in this department to pursue a career, possibly in teaching, translation, or content creation. In summary, the English department is not just about learning a language, it's about exploring how English influences the world and how it can open doors to exciting opportunities in various fields.
Some verbs and phrases.
1. Choose. I chose the English department because of my passion for the language. 2. Study. Students study literature and linguistics in the English department. 3. Learn. I learned a lot about different cultures through English. 4. Apply. I applied to the college because of its strong English program. 5. Improve. My goal is to improve my writing and communication skills in English. 6. Read. In the English department, we read classic and modern literature. 7. Prepare. I prepared for the entrance exam by practicing English every day. 8. Analyze. We analyze texts to understand their deeper meanings and themes. 9. Communicate. Learning English helps me communicate with people from around the world. 10. Achieve. I hope to achieve my career goals by mastering the English language.
Some adjectives and phrases.
1. Passionate. I am passionate about learning the English language. 2. Global. English is a global language spoken in many countries. 3. Challenging. Studying literature can be challenging, but it's rewarding. 4. Diverse. The English department offers diverse courses in literature and linguistics. 5. Experienced. The college has experienced professors who guide us in our studies. 6. Comprehensive. The program provides a comprehensive understanding of the English language. 7. Crucial. English is crucial for communication in today's interconnected world. 8. Creative. Writing essays in English helps me develop my creative thinking. 9. Supportive. The faculty is supportive, always encouraging students to do their best. 10. Ambitious. I am ambitious to achieve success in my future career by mastering English.
Now try to read out loud. Keep it up, every lesson helps you get better. At English, we're excited to see you in my next video. Please forget to share and like and subscribe for more lessons.